Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I found over at CVS for the week. I was able to get all of these products that you see here, which is $100 worth of products for less than $3. So I'll walk you through these deals step by step. I'm also going to tell you how I chose to use some of my purchase-based CRTs and how you might be able to stack up the savings to get a really fantastic deal. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Christina, and I share different money-saving deals and tips every week. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. That way you never miss a deal. I woke up a little bit later than I was planning on this morning, but my husband and I had some 24 hours of kid-free time. So we decided that the best way to spend that time would be to dig a hole in the backyard because that's just how fun we are. But in all seriousness, we've been wanting to put in a swing in the backyard so we can sit and enjoy and ironically relax. So apparently in order to get to that relaxation phase, you have to haul rock and dig holes and make your entire body hurt in the process. So that was how I spent Saturday, and it's not done yet, but I'm sure it is going to be beautiful and relaxing when it is done. I just don't know how long it's going to take to get to that done stage. We're putting in it looks like flagstone, but it's pavers, like a pad for the swing to sit on. That way it sits level and doesn't sink into the ground. So I'm excited, and I think that'll be fun. Okay, so let's talk about the deals, and I'm gonna share with you the easiest deals first. Anyone can do this deal right here. It's on the Sure or the Brute deodorant. They are $2. When you buy them, you are gonna get $2 in extra care bucks back, making the item completely free. Now, another deal that I did that came out to be free was on this L'Oreal Ideal Clean Facial Cleanser. It is priced at just $4.99, but I had this $5 CVS CRT that was attaching, making this item completely free. So I was excited to snag that, and someone else told me that they really liked this cleanser. So, I don't know, that's part of why I like doing this, is I get to try new products completely free, so that's exciting. I also noticed that I had 3 different CRTs, which are just CVS coupons that I find in the digital app, for Hawaiian Tropic Sun Care. I had 2 of the $4 ones and a $2 one, and all 3 of those will stack together. So I was looking for the least expensive Hawaiian Tropic product that my store sold. Well, at the store that was near me, the cheapest product was $12.49. It was on this spray 30 SPF. So it was $12.49. I had 2 $4 CRTs and a $2 CRT, leaving me to pay just $2.49 for this sunscreen. Not a price that I would normally pay, but I'm going to tell you in a minute how I combined these deals to use my spend $40, get $11 off, which of course is going to make everything free. So I'll tell you how I put that together here in a minute after I do the deals individually. So this toilet paper, the tree free, I've seen deals on this recently. I've had a CRT in my CVS app for a while for $2 off a $3 purchase. Well, I noticed this week these are buy one, get one free. So they're $3.49. They're buy one, get one free. So my total was $3.49. But then I had that $2 off a $3 purchase coupon, so that made my total cost $1.49 for both of them, or just 74 cents per pack. Not a bad price. Okay, let's talk about hair care. I'm going to tell you about the deals individually, and then I had a $4 off and $18 hair care coupon, so I'll tell you how I put them together. The Tresemme is 2 for $10. I had a $5 off 2 digital coupon, as well as a $2 off 2 Tresemme CRT. So those stacked together to give me $7 off, leaving me to pay $3 at the register. But this week, these are on promotion for getting a $2 extra care buck back. So I paid $3, I got $2 back, making my final cost $1 for both, or just 50 cents each. Now, I wanted to use that spend 18, get $4 off. So I noticed that the Garnier was on sale for 2 for $8. There's a $3 digital coupon that makes them 2 for $5. Now, which obviously I would never pay $5 for those, but let's talk about how they combine together. I bought these at 2 for $10, these at 2 for $8. That gets me to the $18. The $4 comes off. The $3 for the Garnier comes off, the $5 off 2, and the $2 off 2 comes off, leaving me to pay $4 total. I got back $2 in extra care bucks for the Tresemme, so I paid $2 for all 4 items, or just 50 cents per bottle. Not a bad price when you do it that way. Okay. The makeup was like fire deal, and I didn't even buy the least expensive makeup. The eyebrow pencils are the least expensive CoverGirl product. I just don't use them. So I instead bought the Perfect Blend eyeliner at $6.99. I had a $4 CVS CRT on my app, as well as I used 2 of the $4 off a CoverGirl eye product that I printed, and I will link that for you in the printable document. So I paid $1.98 for both of these, but these are on promotion for buy 2, get $6. So I got $6 back, making them both free, and a $4.02 moneymaker. Now, the Neutrogena, this did not go as planned. I'm still gonna tell you about it just in case you have this CRT. These were buy one, get one 40% off. Now, I had purchased these as part of my spend 40 deal because I was trying to get to $40. But they're $3.59. So one rings up $3.59. The other's going to ring up 40% off. So it's $2.15. Now, I had a $2 Neutrogena CRT as well as a $5 Neutrogena CRT, both of which showed applied to these products. Now, in my experience, that $5 coupon would adjust down to the price of the item when I'm checking out with the cashier, right? That did not happen. That $5 coupon did not come off at all, just the $2 one. So I was left to pay $3.74, which again is not what I would typically pay for this product because I can get it for free. So I tried using that $5 Neutrogena CRT on a different item, and it also did not come off. So if you have this coupon and it is working for you, let me know what you bought, because mine did not come off for any of, I only tried 2 products, but it didn't come off for either of the products that I tried. So I'm wondering if it's just there's something wrong with that coupon. Okay, let me tell you how I combined those deals that I just told you about for my Spend 40 deal. What I did, I bought the Hawaiian Tropic at $12.49. I bought the L'Oreal face wash. I bought the deodorant. I bought the eye pencils, the Neutrogena, and the toilet paper. That got my total cost to $42.69. The $11 off 40 came off, $2 off the $3 for the toilet paper, all 3 of the $4 coupons for the CoverGirl, just the $2 for the Neutrogena came off, the 3 different CRTs for the Hawaiian Tropic came off, leaving my final cost to be 69 cents at the register. It was awesome. It's one of those moments where I wish I had filmed the little whatever that is, the little video screen that shows you your coupons coming off, but I totally didn't. So I paid 69 cents. I got back $6 for the CoverGirl and $2 for the deodorant, making my final cost completely free, and a $7.31 moneymaker on all of those items. I hope CVS keeps sending me those emails because they're awesome. Okay, let's talk about the diaper deal. The diaper deal I did as part of the Spend 30, get $10 in extra care bucks, but I know you guys like to see different baby deals, so I went ahead and did this. What I did, I purchased one of these Huggies overnights. The diapers that are part of this deal are 2 for $23. So I bought one of the overnights because I had a $4 digital coupon. Now, if you have 2 of the $4 digital coupons, buy 2 of these. That's the best deal. I didn't. I just had one $4 digital. So I bought one of these, and then I bought one of the Huggies Little Snugglers because I went on to the Huggies Rewards program and printed a $1.50 coupon. Again, I will link that for you in the printable document. Then I got the Huggies wipes priced at $9.49. So my total on all three of those products before coupons was over $30. And I needed that to happen, one, because it was spend 30, get 10, but I also had a $5 off a $30 baby purchase CRT. So that $5 off 30 came off, the $4 digital for the Huggies, the $1.50 printable coupon for the Huggy Little Snugglers. I also had a $2 off any two Huggy product CRT, so I paid $19.99 at the register. I got $10 in extra care bucks back for spending $30. I also submitted my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app where I had an offer on these overnights for $2 back, leaving my final cost to be $7.99 or $2.66 per item. Great price on Huggies diapers and wipes. So awesome deal there. When I combine everything that I bought for this week, again, over $100 worth of products for $2.68. Amazing deals. Now, if you're not using Fetch Rewards yet, definitely check it out. Grab it using my referral code, one, because you're going to get $2 when you scan your first receipt for using that code, but it's a free app and they have tons of different offers, and you can scan literally like any receipt into the Fetch Rewards app and get some points back. You just get more points when you do some of the rewards that they offer with their program. That's it for the week. So if y'all have questions, let me know down in the comments section. Definitely let me know if you're able to use that $5 Neutrogena coupon and what you used it for. Stay tuned to the very end. I do have a few clearance pictures to show you from some of the stuff that I saw on clearance while I was in the store. Y'all have a great week. Thanks.